Much is to come. You see, we have a lot of problems here, especially when you go to health department. You find that there are very many people who are dying because of a very mere small thing like drugs. We're lacking it. Rehabilitation of the hospital, they have been always promising, but nothing that we have seen on the ground. Now, like us, when you see your mother is dying because of only mere malaria, and yet the government is supposed to work on that, what will you think? And what will you do? So we need really, if the government is to be focused and also look at Karamoja region.
The most important thing is about the roads. Our road here from Soroti, Amuria up to Kotido via Abim. Because if it is not tarmacked, actually our business people sleep on the way. Even the buses get stuck. Yesterday the buses reached here very late in the evening. And you find that even it is only this route.
Brings two things.
Brings one thing. The second thing.
The second, Mario Mere.
That is Teko.
NRM of Tamoni, Ginapire Tekeko, Oberoteko, unity, strength.
So Ribe produces Teko.
Unity brings strength.
Now the two of them, it's all right here. The two of them produce Kuch.
Arioni Kelo Kuch.
And Kuch produces Dongolobo.
Kuch Kelo Dongolobo.
Now those four words
are
the most important in the NRM program. When I come here and see electricity in Abim, I feel very happy. You still have a problem of your hospital. It is not yet repaired, but it will be repaired.
Bare yubo ente biro yubo Abim hospital.